Hello everyone. We will be discussing about chapter 3, 4, and 5 of our research paper.
For the chapter 3, the methodology of our research, we will include the description of our participant, the residents of Marikina, and the settings of our data collection, the city of Marikina. We will also include our overall research design. Geraldine Ting will continue the chapter 3.
We will do the qualitative research design. For our research method, we will do the experimental method. Surveys will be our data gathering procedure. And from this, we will include the specific steps on how the data will be collected for our research paper. And now, Cristal Mejia will be discussing the chapter 4 of our research paper.
For our chapter 4, we will synthesize the data we collected from our research. Tables and figures will also be included in our research paper to show and summarize the data. In the chapter 5 of our research paper, we will analyze the data we gathered from references and from the surveys we conducted. And now, Christine Puga will be discussing the continuation of chapter 5.
With additional information in our chapters 1 and 2 that has been presented and discussed in order to draw a clear conclusion. We will also include the recommendation for actions or practice and the recommendation for future research and for the development of our topic. And that is the end of our video presentation.